Namaste. Welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today I am making one of the most popular South Indian recipe called dosa. Main ingredients are rice and black gram, also known as urad dal. We ground them together in a fine smooth batter to prepare dosas. Let's start by preparing the batter for dosa. We are using 3.5 bowl of rice with 1 bowl of black gram. You can use any rice of your choice except for parboiled rice. Wash rice and black gram thoroughly and then go ahead and soak them for 5 to 6 hours. In order to prepare the batter, add the mixture to a mixer grinder or food processor to turn them into a smooth paste. Try to perform this in batches to avoid excess heating of your mixer grinder. Now start churning everything together and add water if the mixture appears too dry. Scrape the batter from every side to ensure that everything is churned evenly. We have churned the batter into a fine paste. It looks ready now. Take out the batter in a fresh bowl and close the lid and keep it for fermentation overnight. If you are in a cold climate, your batter might not ferment, for which you can add or mix half teaspoon of yeast to 2 to 3 teaspoons of water and then mix it with the batter thoroughly. Once the batter is fermented, we can start preparing our dosas. Let's take some batter in a bowl and add water to it as the batter might be thick. Then add salt per taste and mix everything together. You can add more or less water as per your dosa consistency. Today we are going to prepare masala dosa. For the masala we need 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, garlic cloves 2 to 3, fresh ginger 1 inch, dry red chilies 2 to 3, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. We have boiled the potatoes and removed their skin. Now start mashing them with the help of a fork. I have also chopped the onion and garlic cloves finely. Once the potatoes are mashed, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan and then go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, go ahead and add 2 to 3 dry red chilies and then in a minute add the chopped garlic cloves to the pan and mix everything together. Now add 1 inch of grated or chopped ginger to the pan and again mix everything together. After a minute or two, go ahead and add your chopped onion to the pan as well. Mix everything together and let the onion cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now go ahead and add the mashed boiled potatoes. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt or salt per taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or spice as per your taste. Mix everything together and turn off the heat. Add some freshly chopped coriander or parsley to your potato mix. The masala for the masala dosa is ready now. Now let's get started and make our dosas. In order to prepare good dosas, the pan should be really hot. So splash some water and see if the water starts to evaporate immediately. I'm adding 2 scoops of dosa batter and spreading it in an evenly circular fashion, just like this. Once the top section of the dosa dries off, just like this, sprinkle some oil on top of it. Now wait for the dosa to cook evenly from all the sides or for it to turn golden brown. Add the masala to the dosa and roll it in a cylindrical shape. There you go guys, our masala dosa is ready and you can enjoy it hot with some chutneys or sambar. Other than masala dosa, I also enjoy some plain soft dosa. So let me show you how to prepare it as it's super simple. Add 2 spoonfuls of batter to the pan and don't spread it much. Then cover it with the lid and let it cook in its own steam for about 2 to 3 minutes in medium heat. Then remove the lid and flip the dosa and let it cook for a minute. This dosa is really soft and I like to eat it with tomato and onion chutney, and it's oil free. I have added the link in the description box below for the recipes of chutneys. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Food Atomic for more vegan and vegetarian recipes. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye.